Welcome everyone. In this video, I will show how you can fix Wi-Fi not working on Smart 9. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.